Hello everyone, today we'll be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium Box for June 2021. So let's begin. Okay, so this is the theme for the month. It's Dare to Dazzle. And the back we have the box variation number, which is C21062441-PM. And also the products, the retail value, Instagram handles, stuff like that is there as well. So let's check it out. The first product I see is this eye cream, which has coriander seed and marjoram, quinoa, and vitamin C by Mapulum. I've never heard of this before. So let's see. Yes, this retails for $39. Okay. Let's see. The next product is the Skin Regimen 1.85 HA Booster. And this retails for $115. Wow. It's a hydrating plumping concentrate serum that has hyaluronic acid, micro, macro, and cross-linked to infuse the skin, lock in moisture at various levels. And yeah, it's like 99.2% natural origin ingredients. Interesting. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. I think it's kept in a dark bottle, so yeah, might be affected by sunlight actually. Interesting. Once opened, it's good for 6 months, so it does have a short lifespan, but then again it is because it is natural, so okay, interesting. Let's move on to the next item. And that is the Marc Jacobs Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. And this one, this is what it looks like. I believe I got one in a box before, so I'm not going to open it. But I've tried it before. It's good. I don't know if it's the best, but let's see. It retails for $27. So yeah, it says it's smudge resistant. I don't remember it being waterproof though. Yeah, just smudge resistant. So it's like an okay mascara. This next product is the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick in Black Cherry. Let's see. It retails for $19. So let's swatch this. Okay, yeah, it is dark. It's like, yeah, it has this purplish burgundy tone in there. Okay. Yeah. It's a matte finish. It says it lasts without bleeding or transferring, so I don't know if it's waterproof or not. Okay, it doesn't say that, but it does say it's transfer proof. Okay, let's look at the next item. This is the Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. And this, let's see how much it retails for. Yeah, this retails for $18 and it's a new launch. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's it. This is what it looks like. So you put your hand through and scrub yourself. Interesting. Never seen a scrubber like this. Looks like a dishwashing scrub sponge. Okay, so we're down to the last item in the box, which is this Lorac Unzipped Unfiltered Eyeshadow Palette with dual-ended brush. And this product retails for $25. So let's see. You know what? I don't keep these cartons, so it's okay if I rip it. Okay. Come out. Okay. This is what it looks like, and let's see. It does have a mirror, but these are the colors. So there's this brush right here. This one's the blending side. Oops. Okay. This one's the blending side. This one's the packing on side. So let's see. I'm interested in this color. Oh, it's so creamy. Okay. Let's see. It looks like this pink one isn't, like, you have to like pack it on. It's not that bright to begin with. This brown one's more colorful, like pigmented. Okay, yeah, the mattes are pigmented too. But yeah, I think you can use like a wet brush as well to make the color pop out more, because it's not popping out that much, but it is a pretty color. Yeah. So that is the last product in the box. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!